Hello everyone, my name is Andrea Marighetto and currently I'm living and working in the Netherlands, in Amsterdam, where I'm acting as a legal counsel for a multinational company and I'm implementing the use of ADR for the resolution of cross-border disputes. I am also a lecturer and a researcher in ADR and comparative private law, focusing on contracts and international litigation. And I've been dealing with mediation since 2004 when I became mediator in San Diego, California. Because of my work, I got opportunity to follow the implementation of use of mediation around the world, including Latin America, in particular Brazil. There is so much innovative on this, and where I live for several years. This professional experience and what we are living during this pandemic situation are showing us that the new technologies can make the difference in our life. In the same sense, the ODR can make the difference in what we intend for mediation and ADR in general. The implementation of e-commerce and the pandemic situation can demonstrate that the utilization of ADR is something more than a simple trend, but is a kind of language that mediator need to know to face what we are calling for the fourth industrial revolution, that one of the new technologies. So I'm very excited to discuss this with you, and we can do this in the middle of June at Leibniz for the Mediation Forum. Thank you so much for this invite for the organization, and see you soon there.